So once again, good morning. Let's start our today's class. Offline students, may I have a pin drop silence in the class? Turn this side, look at the board. Lakshya Dola. No, this Rajvi Lahoti. No, his name. No, this near to Ayush. Dhyan. Now students, I am going to present my screen.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yes. Maths class is without writing, Moksh, is any of the day? Moksh, in any of the day you have attended the maths class without writing?
No, ma'am.
No, na? So writing is there. Can you all see my screen? Blank screen is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Write today's date 9th.
Ma'am, 9, 12, 21.
Ma'am, day after this, my little brother's birthday is there.
Whose birthday?
My little brother, 9
Okay.
day after day at 11.
Okay, wish from our side also. Happy birthday to him. Write the heading revision in the maths notebook only, not in the revision notebook. Because every time before starting the class, we do the revision of the previous class topic also.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the question number 1. Divide by repeated.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please speak.
Ma'am, my maths notebook is finished. So can I write in revision notebook?
Yes. Just a minute.
Ma'am.
Just a minute, bacha. Don't do anything right now.
Excuse me. Ma'am, we are doing division by repeating subtraction, no?
Yes, tell me, who was speaking? Yes, Aradhya, ask.
Ma'am, we are doing yesterday's work, no?
Write your query in the chat box. I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, he's asking.
He's asking that we are doing the yesterday's work. He's asking that.
We are doing the revision of yesterday's topic.
He's saying that.
Manya, just guide me. The screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the two sums based on the revision which we have done yesterday. The topic which we have covered yesterday. Who is still asking that, ma'am, we have to do this? You have to just look and stare at the page. Don't do, huh?
Ma'am, we can start doing this.
Start doing, Ayush. Start doing, everyone.
Ma'am, this much I have done only with you. Ma'am, can I start solving?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Check your answers from the board and tell me steps. Yes, Shivangani, tell me the steps which I will follow for the first sum. -5. Yes. What will be the answer? Okay. Next, Vishruth. What is the next step?
Ma'am, 30 minus 5.
What will be the answer?
25.
Mania, next step.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 25 subtracted by 5 is equal to 20.
Very good. Next, Aradhya, tell me the next step.
20 minus 5 is equals to 15.
So these steps I will do till, means I can keep on doing, or I have
Zero.
to stop
0. Only till 0.
We have to stop at
till I will not distribute all the chocolates. Until I will not reach to the 0, I will not
The
enter.
answer is
Okay.
7.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got the answer. Can I say?
What is the answer?
Ma'am, 7.
7.
Ma'am, 7 is the answer.
Yeah. So, what is the use of this method, learning this method? Easy.
Ma'am, that we can easily find the answer of the division.
Any other benefit?
Check the answer if our answer is right or not.
Any other benefit? We don't need to learn the tables also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But now what? We have learned the tables. Now what?
15 minus 5, what will be next?
10.
10.
What will be next?
5.
10 minus 5 is equal to 5.
Then 5 minus 5 is
Oh, someone mic is on. Please mute your mic. Next will be
5 minus 5 is equal to 0.
draw a line after the sum. And what you have written here? These are two different sums. So when you are doing first sum, you write only the first sum here. When you are doing second sum, then this statement will go with the second sum. Cut from here.
Ma'am,
Can I say coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. You are done for 7. Right. Draw a line and now write the second sum. Wait, I will call you. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. So the answer is. So you have to write the answer also here as the question. आपने ये repeated subtraction method है. Is this a repeat? This is a long division method. This is not a repeated subtraction method. Any doubt?
No. Ma'am, can I say the answer of second?
Yeah. Second, what is the answer for the second one?
Ma'am, 9.
Ma'am, 9.
9. Second, I will not do. You have to complete. Do it fast. Where, Mohammed, specs. I will check later. Deep, go and call Push Desai from 4A. You students know you can check your answer also that whether it is correct or not by multiplication. 5 sevens are 35. Divisor multiply by the quotient will give you the dividend same.
Ma'am, I'm not. Ma'am, I am confused that the second one I have done minus, but at the last it is not coming.
Got the answer of the second one.
Maybe, Vihan over here, maybe you have done the subtraction wrong.
Okay, I'll try again.
And I got the answer of the second one.
It is 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, third one. There is no third one.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Do again. Okay, can I move to the next topic now, students?
No,
You can do
ma'am.
after the class also, because
Yes,
you have now done one sum as a practice. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Okay.
completed all
Now
books.
we are going to start the new topic, which is the word problems, story problems. What we are going to start? And how to find out when there are mixed story problems in the exam, how to see which story problem is this. Is this the multiplication, addition, or the subtraction? So there is a rule for multiplication and division that when the value of 1 is given and you have to find for many, then what you will do in that case? If I say this pen cost is ₹5,
Multiply.
yes, what will be the cost of 6 pens? So what you will do?
Multiplication.
6 multiplied by 5. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 6, 30.
Either 5
30.
multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 5, both the ways are correct.
Yes.
Either you can write the number of products first or the price first. Both the ways are correct, because in the multiplication, if we change the multiplicand and multiplier, the answer will be same. Now come the division problems. In division, when you have a cost for many or the value for many and you have to find out for one, then you have to divide. Suppose if I tell you, I have given, Moksh, this question don't write what I am saying. This is just for your oral and mental maths. Okay? I have 100 rupees. I want to distribute the 100 rupees among the 10 persons. Each one will get how much?
10.
Ma'am, 110.
Ma'am, 10.
10.
Vishnu, 110. That's not a progress.
Ma'am,
110.
So, when many, the thing about the many, information about the many is given and you are finding for one, what you will do? You will divide. Am I clear? Now I am going to show you these sums. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we have to give the heading?
First understand. Then you will get the practice on this. No, don't write. See, now this is the pencils about, well, I'll show you the question. Yes, the cost of 35 pencil boxes is 1,820 and you have to find the cost of one pencil. Okay, so don't write the question, just do the division and tell me what is the answer coming. How? The cost of 35 pencil boxes is given this and you have to find the cost of one box. 35 is your divisor and 1,820 is your dividend, and divide it. Find out the quotient. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the dividend and what is the divisor?
Yes, what happened?
Hello, ma'am. How we will know that this is only the dividend and this is only the divisor?
Because you are going to divide this 1,820. This is the total amount divided into the 35 boxes. So what will be the cost of one box? Right? This is the price of 35 boxes. Clear? If I said 18 chocolates, you need to distribute among 6 people. Each one will get how much?
Ma'am, the 35 is the divisor, na?
35 will be your Divisor, yes.
Yeah.
So now in the story problem, main thing is the statement. Without statement, you will not divide. So the first statement is cost of 35 pencil boxes. Very good, but see here. This is the way you need to write the statement. And statements are always based on the language of the question. And it is always given in the question only. As I have explained in my last classes also that how to write the statement. So the first line of given, what is given to you? The amount of 35 boxes is given to you. So the cost of 35 pencil boxes is 1,820. Cost of one pencil box is 1,820 divided by 35 you will write and find out what is your question coming. Let me check. Are you all writing, the online students?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can see here 35 is the divisor and which is greater than the first digit of the dividend 1. So we will say 35 zeros are 0. Then we bring down 1. Now 8 will come down. Again it is less than. Either you can put the second 0 also. Am I clear? Either you can put the second 0 also and bring the third digit down now. So it will be 182 and 35 5s are 175. And if you don't know the tables, please make the tables right hand side of your page. One sum, one page or maximum 2 sums, not more than that. Offline and online, both of you listen. So please do this sum in your notebooks with the statement. I request everyone, those who are sitting here near to me, please write it.
Ma'am, what we have to give the heading?
Story problems.
I'm answering. We have to write the problem also, na? Problem.
Division story problems. Statement is composed. What are you doing, Dhare, on any of the page? What? Why are you not doing on your regular paper?
Ma'am, the answer is
But this will come down to 2. Then to make down the third digit down, we put again the 0 here. Clear? You can either put 2 zeros before the 5 because in 18, 35 is greater than the 18. Again, we have to go 0 up and 2 down. Then the third digit is coming down. Any confusion to any child?
No, ma'am.
Please write down. You know, no, when we are doing the second digit down here, here also the 0 comes. But the answer is 52 only. Done, everyone, online students?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
My dear,
Yes,
fast, take a screenshot or do fast.
Ma'am, done.
No, ma'am, distribute them. Okay, can I scroll?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can scroll down.
Ma'am, scroll it down. No, ma'am.
Okay, one more practice sum. There are 840 chocolates. were equally put by Sanika in 70 boxes. How many chocolates are there in each box? Again, you can see the word each is coming. Each means for one. One box में कितने आ रहे हैं? So again, what is the dividend and what is the divisor? Moksha Patel here. Moksha. Whose mic is on? Who is coughing?
Ma'am, can you show the first sum for a minute?
Ma'am, 70 is the divisor and 840 is the dividend.
Yes, because you are going to distribute 840 chocolates among the 70 boxes, in the 70 boxes. So how many chocolates will come in the each box? Same, what is the first statement? Number of chocolates. So what are the number of chocolates? Number of chocolates, 840. What will be the second statement?
Number of
Statement I am asking. What is the second statement?
number of chocolates in one box.
Number of chocolates in each box.
Chocolates in one.
Each box. And then you write 840 divided by 70 and divide it with the long division method. With the statement.
12.
Statement, the 2 lines or the 3 line statement is compulsory in the story problems. If the question is of 2 marks, if you have not written the statement, I will cut 1 mark for the statement. Do division.
Ma'am, can you show that one, the cost of 35?
First do now the second one.
Yeah,
The
ma'am, I
second
forgot
one.
to write the sentence.
Leave the space for that. Leave space for the first one, those who have not completed. Those who have completed, they can do the second one. Mohammed, please copy it down in your notebooks. This is another one. Show me. Statement never come at the end. Always start in the beginning. Write the statement in the beginning. Write the heading story problem, the way she has done. You are doing good job, but you are not doing in a systematic way with her. It's 12, no? Why it is coming? 70 ones are 70. 70 ones are 7. 70 ones are 70, right? Then you subtract it 4 minus this. I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the story problem, students. Practice. Tomorrow also I will give you some practice of the questions.
Then
Done, everyone. Those who have completed here, they can pack their bags. You have to not done anything. Show me here. Why doing on the last page of your it's untidy, little bit, make your work tidiness. And statements are not like this. It should be like this. Students. Okay, we'll not now. Okay, we'll do more tomorrow.
Statements are number of chocolates in 70 boxes. 70 boxes is equal to 840. That only, no?
No, don't worry. If not complete, we do next class. Yes, Mania, tell me.
ma'am, in the presentation it was